Hello, everyone. My name is Dana, and this is my presentation on my values paper. I just want to start off by explaining what a worldview is in my opinion. And a worldview is an important part of everyone. It represents their perspective on the world. It's also a good access point to who someone really is as a person, who they are deep down. A worldview can be related to life experience. I feel that life experience can have a huge impact on the worldview. Um, Family and friends are part of the life experience that have an impact on really who everyone is. I personally have had many influences throughout my life. Some were bigger influences and some were smaller influences, but nevertheless, it is an influence. I believe that in most situations, family is the biggest influence during childhood years. And then throughout the later teenage and adult years, I feel that sometimes friends have a bigger impact on you. I think any influence can make an impact on life. Another influence is work. It's the place that we go to every day. We spend hours of our time there, and values and beliefs heavily rely on my professional life. I've grown a lot in the 6 years that I've been with my company, and I feel that my values and beliefs have definitely grown. They've changed a little bit. Um, this is another big impact. The SNU program has also had a big impact on my life. It's a different experience for everyone. The end game is important, of course, but I think that sometimes people forget how important the actual process is. I personally have really grown through and with the process, and it's such an accomplishment to me to have made it this far. I have learned throughout the program that it is necessary to utilize resources, work hard, always ask questions, and have a little fun while you're completing the process. For the future, I want to obtain my master's degree. I don't think that I would have thought about pursuing that before I had opted in for this program. This program was a good experience for me, and it has really provided some extra motivation for me to want to continue my education. I do also want to search for other opportunities in my professional life that could possibly lead to a career for me. Those are my goals, and I think that goals are so important because they constantly challenge you. They require you to work consistently to reach your happiness, and I think happiness is key in life, and it's important to do what is needed to reach that full happiness for yourself. That's all I have today. Thanks for listening, guys.